Hello everybody, I'm Takeshy. Sorry for the last episode because after I got my new video card installed, it resetted everything on the BIOS and every setup. So yeah, the game was too loud. It was on 100% instead of 10%, so yeah, all I could do is trying to make it a bit more audible, but it was horrible. But this time we are going into the headmaster's office, and it seems the others don't know that the lock has been broken down already by Sakura. So let's continue. I remember we were on the corridor, just in front of Toko. Yes. And Nacho is there too. What do you want? My partner so admirable, not even skipping a beat, putting his plan into motion. At the very least, try not to get in his way. Everyone is standing guard. Yosh? I'm sure Sakura is watching over us. So I know we will find some sort of clue. I'm sure of it. I don't think because Kyoko was already inside. It's time to get for the climax, dude. So let's get this over with quick before the puppet master comes back. So Byakuya, what's your plan? Here we go. We are going to rip the puppet master's mask clean off his cowardly face. Are you prepared? As I said, I don't think the puppet master is same as the controller of Monokuma. What? Kyoko! Didn't you say Sakura broke down the door? The door still locked. I figured as much. What now? What do you think? We break it down. Huh? What's about the rules? We can make contact with the podcaster. The rules mean nothing right now. But like Max was saying earlier, what if the podcaster comes back and catches us red-handed? We will just have to finish our work before that happens. That's it. Here's hoping we are so lucky. What? There is no turning back now that we have come this far. We decided to act. So act. Fabulous! Is that what you call it? There's nothing to it. But to do it. Let's go. Let's bust this thing down. But how we're gonna do it? It doesn't look like it will go down without a fight, dude. We are going to need tools. We have a lot of tools. In that case, what about this? In the Botaniki Gardens tool shed there was the pickaxe, yeah. You don't need the pickaxe, you can just take the tools you have all been given. You can just screw the lock down and go in. But okay. Indeed. That seems like a suitable tool for breaking down a door. Fuka, what time is it? When we left the gym, it was a little before 9, so it should be right about 9 o'clock. Perfect. Have the pickaxe here by 9-1. You have 1 minute. Huh? Shoot a stab in the dude. Me? By myself? everyone wants some time for themselves. Am I wrong? I don't deny wanting time alone with you, my white knight. In the time it took you to say that, you will spend 10 of your precious seconds. If you are not back in time, I will deny your very existence. Wow. I think about that! And she runs away. And she will be back in time. Look at this bed. Disappeared into the hall, with pitter patter on her feet cracking against the floor.
Oi, oi.
Hoi hoi, are we really gonna bust down the door? Running from your problems doesn't solve anything. It's about time you face things head on for once. Yeah, he's right. We're not gonna get anywhere if we are too afraid to take risks.
先に進むためには危険を避けては通れない。
If you want to accomplish anything, risk is inevitable. Well, I'm afraid of danger, but if we want answers, we must push forward.
ね
Am I wrong? Even though it may be dangerous. If we want to make it through this, we've got that. Oh, still, I'm kinda nervous, dude. I'm nervous, I can't even talk straight. When can you talk straight? Peter Piper picked that, no, that's not it. Peter Piper picked a pack of... No, I don't know that, tongue twister. Hello, Jenny. Peter Specker? Whoa, holy fast, and holy genocider.
呼ばれて飛び出てジェノサイ
Teleporting to where? From the fancy neighborhood to my maniac genocider show. Yeah.
Oi.
Oi, where's the beer? Why don't you have it? They don't share the memories. You want me to pick your ass? I didn't know you were into that. Wow. The pickaxe, you imbecile. My white knight called me an imbecile. Brutish and tyrannical always, master. Shh, I think I just got nervous of it. So wait, did you really forget about the X? You need help serving of rainbow food lunch. If I remember correctly, Fukawa's personalities don't share the same memory. Huh. Unbelievable. Just how useless can one person be? Ding ding ding, I figured out.
なるほどね
I see. So I was in the garden because I was supposed to get the pickaxe, right? That solves one of the mistakes. Now there is just one more to go. One more?
なんか気になるお年柄
That is the Object X.
あのさ
What are you talking about? You even lost track of the conversation. Counting your mind, you have lost way too much too.
なわけないじゃん
I didn't lose Jack. I actually found it in the garden. What did you find? You found it? Oh, she found the body. Am I right? A body.
おいごる
A dead freaking body. A corpse. A corpse?
うん
Yep. Someone left a dead body in the garden. Nice way to phrase it. Dead body in the garden?
なんだと
It seems there's somewhere we need to go before the headmaster's office.
おい
Let's move to the garden. Yeah. As soon as I entered the botanical garden, I saw it. I saw it. I saw it. Person wearing a mask lying on the ground with a knife. Plunged deep in the legend. What is this? The other? And anywho, who is this? Do we really recap what happened so far? Last night, I was attacked by a mysterious masked character, and for whatever reason, that person has reappeared before me, only this time as a corpse. Yeah, I told you, someone left a dead body here. That's unbelievable. That's a corpse. I did really dead.
なんだと
Let's begin our investigation immediately. However, be extra careful and prepare yourself for anything. There's no saying what could happen. There was no dead body announcement, but it should be automatic, so I don't know. Is this person really dead? First of all, I need to figure out who this body belongs to. My Christian face is covered by a mask, so I can't hold it. So just pull it down. Pull the mask down. On top of that, the build of the body and what is hidden and wearing by a lab coat. There are no murder victim. The only thing certain right now is that last night I was attacked by this masked person. But why? Are they now dead? And in a place like this? It looks like a man's body, but that's a woman's boot. Those are woman's boots. They are not breathing, so their chest isn't moving. All the usual signs of life appear to be missing. Their stomach is covered in blood as a result of the knife sticking out their abdomen. While the bleeding has stopped, it appears as though the blood has not yet dried. If you touch it, your hands are likely to get stained. Is this really the time to be dissecting things like that? Anywho, who this is? The face and body is covered, so I haven't got the slightest idea, dude. It's probably a girl. Yes. Huh? Why is that? Probably Ikusabamuku. From the side of the chest and the outline of the body, we can't say that she's a girl, because she is flat. There is no doubt she's a girl. Girl? Then maybe it's... Yeah! All we gotta do is strip off that mask. Wow, Jenny, at least you think.
おい
Wait. But he was too late. By the time Tomomi had called out for her, Fuka was already taken hold of the mask. And before we knew it, there was a blinding flash of light and deep thunderous roar. Was there a bomb attached to the mask? Of an explosion. It exploded, it exploded, it exploded, it exploded, it exploded, it exploded! Oh my gosh, it exploded! My vision went dark. Explosion is the monokuma killing method. So, I don't know. My vision went dark, but
おい
get a move on. Put the fire out already. That way it grabbed my drifting consciousness and yanked it back to where it belonged. Then I found myself had been handed something. It was a bucket full of water. Water, fire. It's not that hard. it's not that easy to put out uh, that much fire with some bucket of water. That's not how it works. Okay, I moved my eyes to the blaze raging across the upper half of the corpse and heard the water of it splash. Okay, it's a game, so yeah. The train quickly lost its velocity and then went out completely, leaving behind only an unpleasant stench. It looks like I managed to extinguish it, but the corpse upper body is burned to hell. What we see is she has brown hair, or it's burned too. What's going on, dude? It's just no one.
なんだと
What did you say? I had suspected something might be wrong, but to think it could actually explode. And thanks to that, the corpse. Has been charged to Kingdom Come, dude. It's super bad. Hey, don't go back with mistake. I will never be able to hit you again. But now, we really have no idea who the body belongs to. Who isn't here? Kyoko and the new character, Makuro. Kusaba.
なんだ
Huh? The possibilities are constantly limited when you think about who isn't here right now. Who isn't here? Just Kiri, dude. Kiri again? Then that corpse is Kiri place? No, I don't think so. Because we saw her after what? No, it can be. Or maybe she is. I don't know. Oh, relax. I never saw it was Kiri.
けどよ
Oh, but there's no one else. Oh, but there is, isn't there?
つまり
The Puppet Master. Huh?
だな
The Puppet Master?
なんなんだべ
No way, dude. The Puppet Master got fried? Not possible. Indeed. If these were normal circumstances, then it probably wouldn't be a valid option. However, we have already seen evidence that it could be possible. If the Buckmaster really is dead, then that explains what happened last night. Why Monokuma suddenly shut down?
けどよ
But still, that's a chick, right? I don't think that's kind of strange. I mean, remember what happened what that was that dude? In short, there is high probability that the headmaster is a Puppet Master. Additionally, the headmaster is a man in the late 30s, and it's likely he is inside the academy.
どういうことだべ
What I go thought he was doing in the response that obviously doesn't fit, you know. And the Puppet Master isn't the headmaster. But the girl Kiki was talking about, the super duper high school despair.
え
Huh? What? What are you talking about, dude? You never said about it. See? Mukuro Ikusawa, the 16th student.
何
What? What is this about? Where did you learn that name? Kiki told me about not too long ago in secret. She said there are 16 students in the academy.
なん
Tell me everything right now. Kiki said
戦場ムクロ
Ikusawa
この
Mukuro,
学園に潜む16人目の高校
the 16th student in the
生
academy.
高校級の絶望と呼ばれる女子高校生
We're gonna refer to as the super duper high school despair.
戦場ムクロに気をつけて
Beware of Mukuro Ikusawa. Apparently Kiri suspected Ikusawa Mukuro of being the Puppet Master. No, the headmaster isn't the Puppet Master. Huh? There's no doubt in my mind, even if I have no proof yet.
なるほどな
16 students. and a female. That fit. That does fit the clothes. I see now.
あのさ
And doesn't the butterfly high school spare some copy of Havoc Master Age too?
もしかすると
So basically, Mokuro Ukusama is the puppet master and she is called as a product for high school despair. What then, dude? If she's been hiding all this time, like a chupacabra. What's she doing over there, Black and Cupsy? This
何なんだべ
it doesn't make any sense, no matter how you shake it. She just shows up out of the blue and dies. Come on. It seems we need to take another good look at that body. There could possibly be some hint left over as to who this really is. Oh, just a second.
なんだ
What?
ね
Haven't you forgotten about Fukawa?
だな
Oh crap, yeah, she caught an explosion dude. Oh wow. She was ripping the mask off. She was really close. Forget her. I'm sure she has been vaporized. I hope not.
え
Yeah. Oh, you're right. You're alive. Huh? What happened? Please, will you tell me right now?
黙れ
You were just fucking you would never again inhale mercury and oxygen.
うん
Then I will survive on just a carbon dioxide you exhale. Am I right now? There's oxygen in that too. So
なんだこれ
very brave again, dude. So what is this thing? Oh, it's before that I should investigate the body. Okay. I can change anything. I should check the body out one more time.
あのさ
Careful, Nagi. Don't forget she's a girl. No guys, it's not like I'm capable of making much contact. In that regard, I'm definitely not like you even. So let's see. I already see this pen drive. There's something on the ground next to the body. A key? Maybe it's a key. Maybe this is a key carrying store. So what did you take?
それは
Yes. A key? But it obviously wasn't just any key. It had a Malcolm head in the end. I have never seen anything bright like this. Oh yeah, the cake you restore from Malcolm had a Malcolm head in the end. That's not the same. Now what's this key?
なんだ
What is it? Did you find something? Yeah, I found this next to the body. I've never seen a key like this before. Just what does it open? You have to try. You don't know why they're after me? Nagi, allow me to bestow upon you magnificent responsibility. What?
なるほどな
That key, it most likely gives us access to some area that's been sealed off until now. Oh yeah, there was one locked area. And what? You want me to find out what is open?
つまり
It could be the biolab, the headmaster's office, the data processing room, the dormitory's second floor. I'm counting on you. In short, I'm the handboy. But wait, no. I want to check the body. I probably wouldn't get a very good reaction if I ran back without having tried all the options. I can check the body, but I saw a tattoo on her hand. So let's see the biolab. The biolab door is locked. Alright, let's give it a shot. I inserted the key and found the garden into the cave hole and it doesn't even fit the hole. Which means the key doesn't go to here. I think it's for the data processing room. If it's really the 16th student, which is on the 4th floor. The cam lab. Where's the data processing room? There. Okay, I got the door to the data processing. What's supposed to be locked? Alright, let's give this a shot. I needed the key and found the garden into the keyhole. I found in the garden. Oh, I entered the key I found in the garden into keyhole and click. It opened. Yeah, it looked like a pen drive, so that means this is the key to the data processing room. It's the key to the data processing room. I tried saying it a second time to prolong the feeling of success, but my attempt was futile. Anyway, I got a talent and asked about it, and so I ran back to the garden. You didn't go inside? You are back. What did you find? The key opens the door to the data processing room on the first floor. Oh, then we can get into the data processing room now?
なるほどな。
I see, so that's what it was for. So that begs the question, why did that ghost have the key to the data processing room? It looks like we need to go to the data processing room and see what secrets are buried there. Yeah, alright. Well, here we are. The door's already unlocked. And you're right, it's gonna go kaboom, like a body, is it? Oh, don't jinx us, dude. There's nothing to worry about. We have Nagi. What?
つまりだ。
Do the honor. Open the door. We are back. Again? It means I trust you. You gotta be lying. I'm just being used. That's all. Let's speak with her. My right eye said he trusted you, not me.
何なのよ。
Don't let this get to your head. I have absolutely no reason to take pride in that. You know? She's staying far behind.
よし。
It'll be alright, I'm sure of it. You are Nagi, but I don't have any plans, so don't ask. No evidence. And how is really far away. I put it, there will not be another kaboom, dude. Just to be safe, I'll be over here. I trust you. It's your responsibility not to betray that path. Okay? Let's do this. Leroy Jenkins! The moment I put my hand on the door, I could shut my eyes. Repeating a small prayer in my heart, I slowly turned the handle. Closing your eyes when you expect an explosion. Not a good idea. If there is something triggering the explosion, you can see it if your eyes are open. So there's a better chance to stay alive. But if you close your eyes, nothing gonna happen because there is no bomb. And nothing happened. When I was sure nothing was going to happen, I opened my eyes and I already see a monokuma door and all the cameras. To put it mildly, I was in a bizarre room. It's a separated room. I mean, all the rooms have weird fancy had bizarre in their own way, but this was another level of weird. It wasn't like the other rooms, which were designed to appear terrifying. The terror is simply there. Unabashed and not for show, but in its true form. Oh, look at that! Half-class one, but shaking here disappointed. Out at the wall behind with monitors, and the images displayed on the screen were of the academy inside the academy. Inside the academy. From the dormitory to the classrooms, just about every place imaginable inside the building was visible on the wall. We can search for Google with this. These are
何
feeds from the security cameras. The footage taken by the security camera installed around the school seem to be transmitted to this monitor.
そういうことか
In other words, this room is used to watch over us. To watch us? Then this is
決まりだ
no doubt about it. It's the Puppet Master's room. The Puppet Master's room. That's right. I can't think of anything else it could be. So the Puppet Master watched over us from within this very room. Yeah, I thought so. It seems we have the answer to our question. What question? The identity of the corpse in the garden. The fact that she had the key to this room means that the body belonged to the Puppet Master, Bokuo Ikusaba. Or the real Puppet Master wants us to believe we are safe. And the Puppet Master is done? She really died? So it would seem. Seriously? Such an unfeeling gun to have died at someone's home other than the White Knights? The White Master is dead? Is that really true? Is that really the end of everything? We could just leave. If it's the control room, obviously you can unlock the doors. I mean, the person in the garden obviously didn't die. It's not sure who. Which means someone.
けどよ
What if the Puppet Master is dead? Then we can get out of here. Finally, we can get out of this place.
なあなってな
And now that's approved, we need to find a way out, dudes.
やめろ
No. First, we investigate this room. Oh, what about the way out? If the Puppet Master is dead, that means we can escape whenever we want. But before we do that, figuring out what the Puppet Master's objective was in constructing this game comes first. Plus, the fact is, that the Puppet Master was murdered is also the point of interest. Oh, murdered? So you're betting the same thing too, huh? No
当
problem.
然だ
Obviously. You only need half of brain cells and one working guy to figure out that the Puppet Master was undoubtedly murdered.
けどよ
But why? And by who?
グミンめ
What I'm saying is, to answer those questions, we need to learn about the Puppet Master and her goals.
そうに決まってるわ
Committing the here, coach. Now you're banned from talking back to my white knight ever again. Not Master objective, and the reason why she was murdered, told me definitely right in thinking there might be some clues as to what in this room. The room where the Puppet Master once sat. Let's stop wasting time and get started. Today, we uncover the truth behind the Puppet Master. I cut the episode right now and continue with the investigation for the Puppet Master objective. See you next time. Bye.